Hi, so my name is Madison Kerr, and today I will be discussing with you the IDEA Act, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. So first, we will be going over the parent and student involvement. So I'm not sure if you already know, but it is strongly encouraged in the IDEA Act that parents are active participators, and this is because parents know that their student know their child and know their interests and preferences. Students also have a legal right to participate in their own IEP meetings, which is surprising, um, but they can. It is specific to inviting, so the students can only come to their IEP meetings during transition, such as going into a new grade. And if they cannot attend, their needs will still must be met in the interim. The IEP works with them. It's not only for them, but it works with them. Next, we are going into the referral process. So the first step to identifying a child for a special education evaluation is to submit a referral for the child. This can be submitted by the parent or the school, and there must be evidence of the educators stepping in, such as student work, and the schools are not allowed to perform an evaluation unless there is consent from you. Next, we'll be going into the evaluation process. Parents can request an evaluation, or the school can refer the students for one. This is a multi-step process, and the first step is psychoeducational testing. So the student will be undergoing tests such as an academic one and a brain cognitive one, and there will be interviews such as in person with the family, with student and teachers. There will be classroom observation between the teacher and the student, just a simple classroom evaluation. It's on how the student learns. There will be a functional behavioral assessment, and this is how the school personnel evaluates the student based on their behavior in the classroom and how they learn. There will be a psychological evaluation, how your child is evaluated on their social and emotional skills. There may be other evaluations depending on your child's needs, but these could be speech or occupational therapy. At the end of the evaluation, there will be a written report, and this ends with each evaluator writing about their portion. Next, we will be going into eligibility. So this is specific to determining a child for eligibility must be made by you, the student's parents, or the school personnel, and the team has to draw data. We have to draw data from the student's achievement and their progress and student teacher input, um, their background to determine if they're eligible for special education services. Next, we will be going into IEP. So the IEP has two reasons: one, to establish goals for the child, and two, to state aids and services that they will provide to the child. This includes the child's present moment of achievements and their performance. How does the student's disability impact their overall progress? And the explanation of all the modifications in the classroom needs to be explained throughout the IEP, for the goals the student needs to achieve and why they need these services and how these services will help them achieve their annual goals. Next, we will be going into expectations for ongoing communication between teachers, parents, the school personnel. So communication is key. So the teachers, the school institution, the parents must be in contact in order to best serve the student. That's what we all want. We want to all achieve and help the student to help your child to achieve and grow and achieve these particular goals. So my responsibilities and the others that the teachers have, but specifically my responsibilities to uphold as a teacher includes upholding the IDEA Act, the upholding different laws, policies, and procedures, um, influencing and supporting your child in ways that involve teaching, learning, supporting the student, advocating for the services that the student needs in all equitable educational opportunities. I always commit to ongoing learning and assessing my skills and my knowledge through multiple different practices. Um, if there's any questions that you have, please do not hesitate to reach out and contact me. Um, Thank you.